Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E for dark circles. This powerful antioxidant can be a great addition to your skincare routine. Vitamin E helps protect your skin from environmental stressors and reduces pigmentation, which often contributes to dark circles. It also deeply moisturizes the delicate skin under your eyes, improving blood circulation and reducing puffiness for a more refreshed look. Let's explore how to incorporate it effectively. Applying vitamin E is simple. You can puncture a vitamin E capsule and squeeze out the oil. Then, using your ring finger, gently pat or massage a few drops onto your clean under-eye area before going to bed. This allows the oil to absorb overnight, providing deep hydration and antioxidant benefits. Remember to be gentle, as the skin around your eyes is very delicate. To boost the effectiveness of vitamin E, consider combining it with other beneficial ingredients. Mixing vitamin E oil with a carrier oil, such as almond or virgin coconut oil, can provide additional hydration and nutrients. You can also blend it with fresh aloe vera gel for a soothing and moisturizing effect. Alternatively, add 2 or 3 drops of vitamin E oil to your favorite eye cream for an extra antioxidant boost. Some even find success combining it with green tea bags for puffiness. Before fully incorporating vitamin E into your routine, always perform a patch test on a small skin area to check for any sensitivity. Consistency is crucial, as noticeable results typically appear after several weeks of daily use. Remember that pure vitamin E oil can be quite concentrated, and for some, it might clog pores or cause irritation. If you have sensitive skin or any concerns, it's always best to consult a dermatologist for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.